Widely used in cooking, especially in sweet baking, cinnamon is also a popular spice in traditional Chinese medicine and is touted as a natural remedy with a variety of health benefits. One of the easiest ways to enjoy the health benefits of cinnamon is to simply sprinkle the spice onto your morning oatmeal or apple slices. But if you're more of a savory breakfast kind of person, you could opt to drink a cup of cinnamon tea every morning instead. As well as being a delicious and soothing caffeine-free beverage, cinnamon tea also boasts several important health benefits. Let's check them out. 1. Helps in the fight against fungal and bacterial infections. Cinnamon contains an active ingredient which can fight against fungal and bacterial infections. The oil extracted from it is used in the treatment of fungal infections that occur in the respiratory tract. Cinnamon also helps alleviate bad breath and tooth decay due to its antimicrobial properties. 2. Protection against cancer. Numerous studies have been conducted on the effectiveness of cinnamon against cancer, and though the existing evidence has only been taken from laboratory studies, they indicate a high potential for cinnamon as a treatment measure. It's thought that cinnamon fosters the growth of blood vessels in tumors and inhibits tumor growth. It's thought that cinnamon fosters the growth of blood vessels in tumors and inhibits tumor growth according to results obtained from test tube studies. Studies on live humans to confirm these results are still underway. 3. Effective against neurodegenerative diseases. A protein known as tau is associated with Alzheimer's. Cinnamon compounds have been found to prevent the accumulation of this protein in the brain. One study conducted on mice infected with Parkinson's found that the motor functions of these mice were enhanced when cinnamon was used. Not only that, but their neurotransmitter intensities were stabilized, and their neurons were secured. 4. Improves sensitivity to insulin. The effects of cinnamon on the body help reduce the risks posed by the likes of diabetes by reducing the menace of insulin resistance. This creates an environment where insulin can perform its tasks most effectively. Cinnamon can naturally heighten a person's sensitivity to insulin, which lowers the levels of blood sugar in the body. 5. Reduces cases of heart disease. Cinnamon reduces bad cholesterol levels in the body while stabilizing triglyceride levels, also known as good cholesterol. Studies indicate that blood pressure is significantly reduced in animals where cinnamon has been used. A combination of these factors can help alleviate the risk of heart disease, hence the popularity of cinnamon tea for heart disease patients. 6. Lowers inflammation. In some cases, inflammation is important because it's essential in the fight against body infections. It also helps in the repair of damaged body tissues. But if inflammation is directed against the body, it tends to cause many problems. The numerous compounds in cinnamon give it all its anti-inflammatory properties, helping it to fight chronic inflammation. Keep in mind, though, that cinnamon shouldn't be taken in huge quantities because it tends to reduce the functionality of the liver. 7. Promotes weight loss. For thousands of years, cinnamon has been used as a therapy for natural weight loss. Cinnamon tea, with its high nutrient profile, may boost your metabolism and keep your cholesterol level and blood sugar level in check. Its anti-inflammatory properties help to prevent bloating of the belly, which can give the impression of additional weight. The spice is also known to aid digestion of foods that can contribute in the shedding of extra calories. 8. Contains antioxidants. Free radicals in the body are very detrimental. Luckily, there are things called antioxidants which counteract the free radical oxidation process that can cause major diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Polyphenols and other essential antioxidants exist in huge quantities in cinnamon. 9. Reduces menstrual complications. Cinnamon is known to fight menstrual symptoms. A study conducted on women on their menstrual cycle indicated that those given pain relief medication had more menstrual pain than those given 1.5 grams of cinnamon. 10. Improves memory. Results from one study indicate that cognitive functions can effectively be improved through the consumption of cinnamon tea. The study showed you should have a better memory and your brain's control over bodily functions will be improved. 11. For cold and stomach discomforts. For a long time, cinnamon has been the ultimate solution to congestion, colds, and sore throats, All over the world, people take cinnamon as a soothing remedy for common illnesses that affect the nose and throat, especially during cold season. It's thanks to cinnamon's antibacterial and antifungal properties that it's so effective at fighting colds, flu, and even stomach issues. You can easily access cinnamon's antibacterial effects by consuming it as tea. 12. Fights hypertension. Some promising studies have shown that cinnamon can fight high hypertension. The effects of cinnamon tea extend beyond the normal range of antibacterial and antifungal properties. People who consume cinnamon tea have been found to have better control of their blood sugar. Unfortunately, the clarity of this effect hasn't yet been well established, and more detailed research is needed. 13. Relieves stomach pain and indigestion. Indigestion is associated with diarrhea, headaches, stomach pain, and cramps, and all the other least appealing symptoms anyone can experience. An antioxidant found in cinnamon helps in the relief of indigestion and discomfort in the stomach. 14. Strengthens hair. Cinnamon's ability to promote blood flow can do wonders on your scalp, strengthening hair follicles while it also removes any unpleasant odors with its intoxicating aroma. Brew a cup of cinnamon tea and let it cool down. Add a tablespoon of raw honey and gently rub it into your scalp. After 10 minutes, rinse thoroughly with warm water. Don't leave it on longer than that, though. Cinnamon is known to lighten hair. So, how do you make cinnamon tea? It's really quite simple. Just make sure you have a cinnamon stick. You can buy these in a spice pod from your local supermarket, tea bags of your choice, and sweeteners of your choice. We'd recommend honey. To make your tea, place the cinnamon stick in a mug, then add the boiling water and steep the cinnamon stick tea covered for 10 minutes. Next, add the tea bag and steep for 1 to 2 additional minutes. Remove the tea bag and cinnamon stick. Here's where you can sweeten your tea to taste with honey, if desired. If you use black tea, either regular or decaffeinated, you can add in warm milk or a dairy-free substitute too. You can also squeeze a lemon or lime wedge into the tea. As you can see, cinnamon tea is loaded with a horde of benefits. Just remember, cinnamon shouldn't be taken in excess because it can lead to other health complications. Always visit a health professional before adding cinnamon tea to your diet if you're unsure whether it's the right remedy for you. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to lighten hair naturally with cinnamon. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.